So guys, welcome to the Church, and welcome back. Today, we are going to play Roblox. Now, I know I haven't, like, been doing, like, I know I haven't uploaded some videos, like, a long time. That was because I was at Jersey, spending time with my grandma. So, let's go and play some Roblox right now. Now, yeah. So, I'm Super Iceman 1536 at the back of the video. So let's try the game that we play. And also the game is just so these are the like games. These ain't all the games though, but pretty cool. I personally, I love Pokemon, but that's a tripod. So, I'm trying to think which game should I play. So, I'm gonna find the shine. Mostly, I like this. But let's go ahead and play Assassin. So let's go play Assassin. Because it's pretty cool. So let's go play Assassin. I did like a short video of Assassin and then we played a video. But let's go ahead and just play this. Let's play Assassin. It's pretty cool. So yeah, let's go. I may have to zoom in, and also I have a speaker. That's why it's loud. So let me just go in here. It's quiet. But yeah. This is it. This is Assassin. Look at this. Can I move? Hello? Round over. Okay. Can I move? I can't move. What the heck? I can't even move. Hold up, guys. Let me leave the game real quick. And then come back in. Alright, so let me come back in right now. And let's, do it again. Something happened. I don't know what happened. I couldn't move at all. Like, does this happen to you? Comment down below. Whew. And also subscribe to Huge Game Sense 7 Notes and my brother. Alright, so now I think I can. Yeah. And can I move? Yeah, finally I can move. Let me get my sword out. Wait, what? Oh. Yeah, I could, but come on, kill him. Wait, why isn't the speaker working? This might be a fail or something. What happened to the speaker? I don't think the speaker works, so let me turn this off. I think. My computer. Oh shoot. Oh shoot, yo, something happened to my computer. But I don't think today we are going to play Roblox. I think today we are going to watch Vines. So let's go ahead and go to youtube.com. And we're going to look up Vine. Let me turn this up. Yeah, it's connected. Let's go to Vines. I'm gonna make sure, guys. I'm gonna do a Minecraft game. I will get Minecraft soon. let's go get something real quick. Let's play this one. This one cool. Yo! Whoa, what? Oh, shoot, we got a Taro. Oh, that's Naruto! I know this is Naruto. Alright, let's see. What? Yeah. Yeah, he thinks he's lying to you. Wow! You're a liar. Wow. Ooh! This...
Anyway, as I was saying,
Oh, shoot. That dude got served. Ooh! Ooh! I don't like this one. Let me go to a different one because this one is too long. This one will get right here. Yo, that's cool. 1,000 balls. What the heck? Oh shit. Yo, what? That's cool. That's cool. That is epic. This is the epic video. Yo, what? With her feet. The feet. That's so cool. What? Yo, that's pretty cool. Yo. Oh, it's ice cream fell. Oh, skirt. Yo, that is cool. That's so cool. Yo, you might talk on the building. But, let's go ahead and see other videos. Zach personally like funniest ever. Nap time. Yo, nap time. Story time. Wow. Wow. A shortcut. Oh, he did. Oh my gosh. He did a March style. Oh, that's cute. Look, that's... Oh my gosh. Alright. Let me end the video right here. Thank you all for watching this video. If you wanna check out my channel, make sure you subscribe and leave a notification. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and share and comment below what you think about this video. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye!